Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the results of the frost, what it looked like before and what it looked like afterwards, to see the effects of it on the garden. We got our first hard frost, so stick around and stay tuned. Coming out to check on the garden after the first hard frost. Did not get my broccoli because I went out of town, but this is what we got. Don't know if my red mustards will survive it. They are small, but we will see. They're there. So are my turnips. None of this made it. Missed eggplant. All of it's gone. Squash is gone. Squash. More squash. More squash and cucumbers. Garlic appears to be just fine. Need to cover it. This is garlic as well. Need to cover those. Broccoli. Nasturtium. More onions. Tops of those froze. Tops of those did okay. Oh, those baby ones did fine. They're still there, it looks like. So, and we got baby ones under there. And they look like they are alive. I'm not gonna uncover them, still cold. This bed is covered. This is garlic, so it's fine. One thing's in this bed, need to cover it. This is cabbage, it's fine. Carrots, they're fine. Tomatoes I did not pull. They're gone. These are gone. Stevia is gone. I need to get the flowers off of it though. All those are gone. All those. Need to pull these flowers. I don't know. The stevia look like it might be about to bounce back, but we're gonna get these flowers just in case. Because we need these flowers to pot some more. Let it dry out and replant. It's supposed to reseed itself, so we'll see how that works out. But just in case it does not, we'll have some. These turnips, the small ones, hopefully they bounce back because it is cold. Some more stevia flowers. Collard greens, we know they like doing. Now it's just 30. I think it got down to 27. Don't know if I was supposed to pull these or not, my kohlrabi. So somebody let me know. Bok choy actually look like it's okay. I don't know about my celery. I forgot to get it before I left, but no, I cut it down to the bottom and it'll come back. Oh, my collard greens, cabbage, rosemary. Same over here. I think they're fine. This is garlic. It's fine. Yeah. Oh gosh, look how big my broccoli head got while I was down. Yeah. It's fine. Need to get rid of that. And then these are blueberry trees. I think they should be okay. Mint fiddle. Yeah. Brown cherry dye. Those onions look okay. That's my mint. My lemongrass. That's it. Alright. So this is what everything is looking like after the frost. You can see that the broccoli don't look too bad. Last year it turned black, but this is looking okay. I think it's just more frost. I think last year we had a few days in a row, which we're going to have. It's going to get cold again tonight. So, yeah. Hold on, put my glove on because it's still cold out here and I don't want my hand to freeze off. I put one in my pocket. So, the green stalk is looking good. Everything bounced back. The strawberries still look good. See the leaves. That's why they say greens in the wintertime. When they get the frost, it makes them taste better. But yeah, that's what they look like. Even this survived, but it was doing a little bad before the frost. And these greens are tender, but they're okay. Of course, cabbage is like collards. They do fine with the cold, unless it gets extremely cold. But I was worried about these earlier. But as you can see, it's warmed up to 40 and they look fine. They don't have frostbite on them. Even the really little small ones look fine as well. So they did good in the cold. This is my yarrow. It survived the frost as well. And these are turnips. They're fine. That's just whatever. As we know, those are all dead. So nothing gonna change with that. I did have some turnips in here. So they should be okay. After the frost, they should bounce back. You need some water. Of course, he's barking like always. This is the garlic, which is fine. That's garlic that hasn't come up. This I don't think will come back, but it is what it is. I had just put these onions in here, so they're just catching. No broccoli in these yet. What are you barking at, King? And then these are the onions. These are the small ones. I don't know. They feel okay. Yeah, they don't feel real bad, so I think they'll survive. Since it's warmed up, we'll cover those, and they're fine. I'm gonna leave the cover on them because tonight it's supposed to get down in the 20s again, so I'm gonna leave them covered. And these, they're still fine. These are my peas. They've actually popped up. So we'll see what they do. Not sure. Damn dog. These look fine. They got, of course, tomato vines all over them, but outside of that, They look fine. Still forming a little teeny little head, whatever they doing. This one been struggling from the beginning. I moved it once. It didn't like where it was, so we'll see what it do. And these are all deads. The stevia, don't think that like the cold because the leaves are turning dark. So we'll get all the flowers that we left from this morning. We'll get them off of there and save them. And these are more turnips. They look fine. We also have some spinach in there. They look fine. These are collards. More collards. Collards. They're all fine. The little small turnips are fine. Even the spinach. That one don't look too good, but probably didn't look good before. So carrot tops look decent. They just need to bounce back. But they're in the ground, so they're fine. This is what I'm worried about. But I think they're fine. They feel fine. So I think they're okay. Spinach back there is okay. Celery doesn't feel mushy, so I believe it's okay as well. Bok choy, they're not really cold hardy, but they look fine. And they feel fine, so we're gonna let them be. I'll probably get them and cook them with my dinner tonight. And harvest some of this celery as well, just in case. Oh, the greens look good. These are radishes. They're popping out new leaves and they feel fine. So those are good. These carrots are good. The rosemary is good. It feels fine. The down on kale. Kale can stand cold. I don't see no bugs. At least all the bugs didn't eat my garden up while I was gone on Thanksgiving vacation. Everything looks decent. Hope it froze them all. And then over here, green bean, of course, didn't make it. It don't like the cold. But everything in here is fine. Still over here, that squash needs to be pulled up. The broccoli looks just fine. And then this cabbage. It's formed a head and it's good. And so is that one. Blueberry trees are fine. This has garlic. That hasn't come up yet. I just planted that. And those are fine. They're forming their head. They ain't quite hard yet, but they're good. Broccoli, cabbage. And then my citronella died back. And look, the mint looks just fine afterwards once it warmed up. So I harvested a bunch of it before I left for vacation, so it's looking decent. Even the deal is fine with the cold after it warms up, cause it don't stay under 32 all day. And these ground cherries have turned to mush. And I need to pull them out because they're going to make seeds everywhere. Everywhere. And I don't want them everywhere. They're already everywhere. Enough of them. These onions. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what they do. I took some in the house just in case. This mint looks fine. It's perfectly fine after the frost. Sunflowers that the birds drop seeds in there. I don't even have sunflower. My neighbor too, so I'm sure that's where they came from. That, another sunflower, and then my mint and something else, some kind of weed in there. This is my lemon balm, not mint. I got a few weeds in there that need to be pulled out. But that's it. That is it. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. That is it for my garden tour after the first frost to see what it all looked like from in the morning and then in the afternoon once it warmed up. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.